welcome, and today we will discuss phrasal verbs. So a phrasal verb is a combination of a verb and a preposition when combined together give the word a new meaning. Okay, so let's discuss. So the first one is account for. Here account is a verb and for is a preposition. It means to explain or to justify. Example is he was unable to account for the delay in the project. He was unable to justify the delay in the project. The second one is run into. Run is a verb, into is a preposition. Its meaning is to encounter unexpectedly. I ran into an old school friend yesterday at the cinema. Okay, so this means to encounter something unexpectedly. So you're going to a party and you meet someone unexpectedly or after a long time. You can say, I ran into this person. The third one is catch up on. Catch up is a verb. On is a preposition. Get up to date with something. Peter reads the newspaper every morning to catch up on the news. Catch up means to integrate something, to gain something. Okay. The fourth one is bring up. Bring is a verb, up is a preposition. To mention or raise a topic. Reena always brings up her dietary restrictions when ordering meals. Bring up is to raise something, to raise an issue. Okay. So when you go to the doctor, you bring up your illnesses. The fifth one is come up with. Come up is a verb, with is a preposition. To suggest a new idea or a solution. Charlie came up with a new way to host office meetings. We always come up with new ideas. Okay, we think about new ideas. To come up means to think about, basically, in the simpler manner. So these are some of the phrasal verbs. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button